Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn another new topic from grammar, that is phrasal verbs. This is the question that appears in first question, language study part, and many students make mistake in this question. What kind of mistake is there? In order to understand that mistake, we must understand phrasal verbs first. So, phrasal verbs means a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. So a verb is there, and with a verb there will be a preposition or an adverb placed with a verb, and together they form a phrasal verb. Now most of the verbs are known to you, adverbs, prepositions are known to you. Then what kind of mistake that happens while writing this question? Let us see. I'll take some examples. Now set is a verb. Now set means what? To keep at some place. I'll use an adverb with it, aside. Aside means by the side of. So what mistake most of the students do is they take the meaning individually. Meaning of set is to keep. Aside means by the side of. So those who do not know the actual meaning of this phrase, they will take this meaning for granted, and they will write the sentence as per this meaning, and that is completely wrong. Because when a verb joins with uh, an adverb or a preposition, the meaning completely changes. You cannot take the meaning by the individual meaning of the words. Now individual meanings are different. If you take those meanings, then the meaning will be completely wrong. Now this will be completely wrong while writing a sentence. Actual meaning of this phrase is to save some amount or to save an amount. So you can see, students, if you take this meaning to keep by the side of, for suppose I set aside a pen, means I keep the pen by the side of something, say a board or a table, that will be completely wrong, because the meaning of this phrase is to save an amount. So I set aside 20% of my income monthly. So here in this sentence, meaning of set aside is to save, means I save 20% of my income monthly. So if you use the phrase as per the meaning to keep by the side of, and if you prepare a sentence, that is completely wrong. So take care that when a verb joins with a preposition or an adverb, the meaning completely changes. So this is the first example. One more example I'll take. Go through. Now most all of you already know the meaning of go. Go means to make a move, and through means making a way, piercing something, and cutting a part out of something. So if you take individual meaning here, the meaning of this phrase will be something like, making a way, cutting something. This is the word to word meaning of this phrase, and that is completely wrong meaning. As I already said, you cannot take the meanings word to word. Now, meaning of go through is, actual meaning is to read. So, in question number 1, language study, you'll be given any of these phrases. Most of the phrases I've already told you whenever I've taught in the class. I've already told you to mark those important phrases throughout the text. And here also some examples are given to you. After this video, I'll tell you to do some homework which is given in the textbook already. So here meaning of go through is read. So what you are supposed to do in paper is, they will give you a phrase and they will simply ask, use the given phrase in your own sentence. Now go through, in order to use any phrase, first you must know the meaning. Now go is a verb and through is a preposition, but as they combine together, meaning completely changes. You cannot take individual meanings. Meanings as per the word go and meaning as per the word through. You cannot combine like that, like this. Making a way, cutting something, that is a completely wrong meaning. Correct meaning is read something. Now I'll use this phrase in my own sentence. I go through the inspirational books every day. So here meaning of go through is, I read the inspirational books every day. So this is the meaning of go through. One more example I'll take. Set in. Now meaning of set, it's a verb, it is already discussed to you. Set means to keep. And individual meaning, in is a preposition which is placed with the verb. Now if you take the individual meaning, the complete meaning will be like this, to keep something inside. But this is wrong meaning, because I already told you, you cannot take meanings in phrasal verbs word to word. So when a verb and a preposition combines together, the meaning completely changes. Meaning of set in is begin. So correct to use will be like this. It is chilly cold when winter sets in. When winter sets in means when winter begins. So again I repeat, don't use the phrasal verbs as per the word to word meanings. You have to understand the correct meaning, and in order to understand the correct meaning, I've been always telling you to mark the individual phrases and their meanings are already given to you. So these are phrasal verbs. I repeat, phrasal verbs means a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. And when a verb joins with preposition or an adverb, meaning completely changes. Homework for you, page number 28. Some phrases are given to you on that page number 28. You have to see and study those phrases, and you have to make your own sentences. Make your own sentences using the phrases given on page number 28. There you simply have to guess the meaning, or because already sentences are given, but I expect you to study, guess the meaning of those phrases and use them in your own sentences. Thank you.